Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys doing wonderful. Well guys, today I'm giving you a garden tour. We are at the 20th of September and I'm giving you a garden tour to show you exactly what's going on in the garden at this time. Right now you can see I really did not even start a fall garden because I have so much still standing in the garden. So I'm going to show you basically is my spring garden still producing right at this time. Okay, so I'm going to start with the peppers. I have lots of different peppers inside here, which I think I should be harvesting as well. Okay, because all these pepper is definitely ripe and these definitely ready to harvest. So I have ton load of peppers that I can harvest right at this time, but I'm just gonna show you guys what's going on and what I have producing and still growing in the garden. So here we have okras. These okras I stayed too long to harvest them, so now we see we start getting okras with it's a lot of okras. Over here we have banana pepper just growing nicely. Here again more banana peppers. We have jalapeno pepper here growing as well. We still have a lot to harvest. All here we have so much still going. Lots of pepper I have going on. So we have the okra. We have pepper at this moment still producing. Over here we have the edos, and what we see now, we know for a fact that these edos is definitely getting ready for harvest. As you can see, the field used to be so thick. Now it start thinning out because the leaf them start falling on the ground, as you can see. So you know for a fact that these edos is definitely getting to that point for harvest, which in October, November, I'm definitely gonna harvest them. So all these are okra we still have here, still producing. As you can see, even the small one up there, they're still going. You see all the edos, them, they drop in their leaf on the ground now. So it tells you definitely what's going on. All right, guys, so this is what you call monkey pepper. These pepper are very, very hot pepper, but they are beautiful as well. Look how much ripe one I have even down here. I really was allowing them to ripe because I love the color so much that it's so amazing to see the whole tree ripen. And for what I'm seeing now, I'm seeing it's pepper everywhere. And they all ripening. All over is pepper. Yes, I know you see we have some okra up there, really tall, which I have to harvest, because if I don't, then this is what I will have to leave them for. And right now, I have so much okra seed, I really don't want to do that. So these are my yellow yam I have growing up here. Yeah, this is a yellow yam as well. Not sure if I will be able to harvest anything from them this year, or I might just leave them. All these are my black eye peas. Yeah, these are black eye peas growing up here. Over here we have okra still growing, and over here we still have black eye peas. We have a lot here to harvest, and I harvest so much already, but I definitely got to come and do a harvest here now. Here is where I start preparing my bed for the fall. I already start preparing the bed for the fall. Okay. So these are my tomato from since I plant in the spring. But they're still growing, they're still producing, so I'm just allowing them to do what they want to do. All right, so this is another yam. This is another yam we have growing over here. This one is a white yam. And here we have so much black-eyed peas again to harvest from here. Look how much black-eyed peas, so much black-eyed peas. All up this side. Okay, so here again we have cayenne pepper and we have okra still growing like crazy up in here. I have to do a harvest today because if I don't do the harvest, I'm gonna have too much okra seeds. All right, so we have bell pepper growing up here, and this is a sweet pepper. All these are pepper. The weather start hitting us now a little, so the leaf them kind of getting quail, but at the same time, we have so much peppers to pick from this tree. Okay, let me go down this side. This is the sisal, shisho, the herb. Right now it's pushing out seeds. This herb is, according to studies, is very good for your health. It helps take information out your body. You just got to do your research. But they're producing so much seed, so I'm going to have a lot of seed to harvest from them. Over here, we still have more black-eyed beans, black-eyed peas, whatever we want to call them. Yeah, but I'm going to do a harvest in a minute with these black-eyed peas. Here we have bell pepper. Man, we have so much bell pepper growing up here. We have another one growing here. We have a next one coming up right here. This one start turning for ripe. I have to harvest this. We have one. We have over here. We have here. We have eggplant growing. Yeah, look over here again. We have bell pepper, huge bell pepper. Look at it. We have bell pepper here. This is like 3 of them right here. We have bell pepper here. And we still have tomato growing here. And this whole area here is Tanya. It's Tanya. Look how much bell pepper we have here again. Bell pepper, bell pepper, bell pepper. Lots of bell pepper. Surely got to do a harvest today. I'm going to do a harvest as soon as I finish this too. Yeah, we still have bell pepper growing here as well. Banana pepper, we have, this is turmeric we have growing here. We have another turmeric right here. And that's ginger. All right, so let me take you up here now. We have bell pepper. This tree have on like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This tree have on a lot. 9, 10, 11. This one have on. And these okra tree still eating tomatoes. These okra trees is getting real tall. I wonder what's the height of these okra tree now. But all right, these are Tanya's again. And we also have ginger growing up here. And we have more pepper. This is another pepper tree that's loaded with pepper everywhere.